Hi, my name is Nick and I'm a software engineer for IBM. Hyperledger Caliper is a performance test framework which allows users to test predefined use cases against target platforms. Hyperledger Caliper is adapter-based. That means we can target multiple technologies. Currently, we support Besu, Burrow, Fabric, Eroa, Sawtooth, Ethereum and Fisco BCOS. At the end of a test, Caliper will produce a report for you detailing throughput, latency, success and failed transactions, as well as detailed information of resource consumption throughout the test. Hyperledger Caliper is of interest to developers who want to performance test smart contracts and prevent regressions. It is also of interest to system architects curious about the resource utilization within their system. Hyperledger Caliper may be used in multiple modes. It can be used locally on a single machine. It can also be used in a distributed manner where multiple containers are created to target a particular system. And you can, of course, mix the two modes together and have a hybrid solution. Caliper is available for download from NPM. You may retrieve images through Docker Hub, or if you want to inspect the source code, it is available freely on GitHub. We would love contributions to Caliper. If you want to add a new adapter for a technology that we do not currently support, we would welcome that. To find out more about Hyperledger Caliper, please find us on the Hyperledger Wiki. You can find us easily on Rocket Chat, and we have a weekly call which you can find on the Hyperledger meetings list. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them below.